But Jaylen, we gotta get Jaylen. A fucking gaming computer could be like, if you really wanted to, you could probably spend like 6 grand on a gaming computer. But we're gonna be close to that. We're gonna Jordan's it's probably like 2,500, and Jalen's is gonna be like 3,500. And it's not that he's getting something bigger or better now. It's just newer. You know what I mean? It's 20, 25, 26 type shit. So it's gonna and you gotta think I'm gonna add that camera. So that camera's like a $600-700 more. So it's gonna be about 35, 3,800 altogether. But we split it like he's really wants it. And I told him, I said, nigga, that's gonna be like three. That means we gotta go 1,500 a pop. What did he has a queen?